until now, in my provincial visits, I still hear corruption being committed by people, especially in the regulatory agencies. I would like to point out one, the LFTRB, LTFRB, the regulation board, LTFRB. I forgot his name, but come to me and see me in Malacañang. The LTO and those who are appointed to the positions of LTO, except the career, consider your positions vacant as of this hour. All of them. Lahat. It will number in thousands. Consider yourself in the crucible of the truth about corruption in this country. I hate it. I do not want to give the slightest headache to my fellow human being.